1953. No, it had nothing to do with Eisenhower. No, it's a cellar down there. You don't want to go down there. Trust me. You'd get sick, suffocating, very nauseating. The smell of the clamminess and the mildew, whoa, smells unbearable. Gets in your clothes. No, there was no accident down there. It didn't blow up or catch fire or anything like that. It wasn't so dramatic. I mean, well, no, I can't tell you this. What's a smart girl like you going around asking old ladies about their down there's for? We didn't do this kind of thing when I was a girl. What? Jesus. Okay. There was this boy, Andy Lefka. He was cute. Well, I thought so. And tall, like me. He asked me out for a date in his car. No, I can't do this. I can't tell you this. Talk about down there. It's like the cellar. You know it's there. There are rumbles there sometimes, and you can hear the pipes, and things get caught. Little animals and things. And then it gets wet. And sometimes people plug up the leaks. Otherwise, the door stays closed. You forget about it. I mean, it's a part of the house, but you don't see or think about it. It's gotta be there though, because otherwise, the bedroom would be in the basement. Oh, Andy. Andy Lefka, right. Andy was very good looking. He was a catch. That's what we called it in my day. We were in his car, a new white Chevy Bel Air. I remember thinking that my legs were too long for the car seat. I had long legs. My knees were smushed up against the dashboard. And I was looking at my big kneecaps when all of a sudden he kissed me in this surprisingly take me by control like they do in the movies kind of way. And, well, I got excited, so excited. And there was a flood down there, a force of passion, a river of life flowed right out of me, right through my panties, right onto the seat of his new white Chevy Bel Air. It wasn't he, and it was smelly. Well, frankly, I didn't smell anything. But he said, Andy said, that it smelled like sour milk and I was staining his car seat. I was a stinky, weird girl, he said. I tried to explain that his kiss had caught me off guard, that I wasn't normally like this. I tried to wipe the flood up with my dress. It was a new yellow primrose dress, and it looked so ugly with the flood on it. After that, Andy drove me home without saying another word. And when I closed the car door, I closed the whole store. Never opened for business again. I dated some after that, but the idea of flooding made me too nervous. I never even got close again. I used to have these dreams, crazy dreams. Oh, they're dopey. Why? I don't know why. Burt Reynolds. He never did much for me in life. But in my dreams, it was always Burt and I, the same general dream. We'd be in one of those restaurants in Atlantic City with the chandeliers and all the waiters with the vests. He'd give me this orchid corsage and I'd pin it to my blazer. We'd laugh. We were always laughing, Bert and I, laughing. We'd eat shrimp cocktail. huge shrimp, fabulous shrimp. We were very happy together. And then he pulled me to the center of the room. And just as he was about to kiss me, the whole restaurant would start to shake. Pigeons would fly out from under the table. I don't know what those pigeons were doing down there. And the flood would pour straight from down there. It would pour out of me. It would pour and pour. And there would be little fish inside it. And Bert would be standing waist deep in it, looking horribly disappointed that I'd done it again, horrified as he watched his friends, Dean Martin and the like, swimming past us in tuxedos and evening gowns. I don't have those dreams anymore. Not since they took away just about everything connected with down there. The uterus, the tubes, the whole works. The doctor thought he was being funny. He said, if you don't use it, you lose it. But really, it was cancer. Everything around it had to go. Who needs it anyway? I've done other things. I sell antiques. I love the dog shows. What would it wear? What kind of question is that? What would it wear? A big sign, closed due to flooding. What would it say? I told you, it's not like that. It stopped being a person who speaks a long time ago. It's a place you don't go, down there. You happy now? You made me talk. You got it out of me. You got an old lady to talk about her down there. You feel better? You know, you're the first person I've ever told about this, and I feel a little better.